Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Biz. Today I'm going to show you how to make a doll bag. So yeah, let's get started. First I take a shampoo bottle and I cut it half till pretty much over here, like half. Then after doing that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to punch holes on all the sides, like over here, here and here. I tried to make it a little small, not too big. And after that I take my pipe cleaner and cut it to the length of pretty much more than 10 centimeters. I think around 10.87 centimeter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut two of them, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pipe cleaner, put it through the hole like this, and fold it like this. Like this. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Also do that to the other side. So I've done this side. This is one of the holders. So this is how it looks like. Now you can decorate it however you want to. Let's start decorating this one. I'm taking some of my gemstones that I have. Now I'm probably going to use this one as the border. So now I decorated one of the side, but I did not decorate because I only had one of that piece. Oh, I do have another one. I did not see that. So I'm going to put it here. Now both the sides are decorated, and you can color it. I've used a white shampoo bottle, but you can use any color, and you can even color it and decorate it however you want to for your doll. And I also want to wish you all a very happy Diwali. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you. Bye. See you next time.